In a city like Chicago, one of the best ways to relax and unwind is in one of the city's over 60 rooftop bars and restaurants. Voted the best place for a business drink in Chicago by Crain's, and on USA Today's top 50 rooftop bars and restaurants in the US, this is Raised, an urban rooftop bar.
Located at the corner of Wacker and State on the 3rd floor of the Renaissance, Raised offers a unique rooftop view of the Chicago River.
Just one of the many options to relax and unwind after a long day at IMTS. All right, Chef Timothy, how's it going?
It's going well, thank you. How are you two?
Great.
Wonderful.
This food looks fabulous.
It's really good, yeah.
Wonderful. Why don't you tell us a bit about Raised and what makes Raised such a unique bar and one of the best rooftop bars in Chicago?
Sure, yeah. We have a lot of rooftops in the city, right?
Yeah.
Many options. One of the great things about our rooftop is being down on the 3rd floor. So we sit down and we look up. We don't have to walk to the edge and look over. That's what I tell everybody who comes in. Not only that, but the food, right? Food is shareable. People come because of the drinks. They stay because of the food, right? So crispy chicken, 3 1-ounce pieces, right? We got a spicy garlic aioli, nice sweet slaw that goes over the top with pickled carrots. Sliders, we started out of the gate 3 years ago with the grilled tenderloin sliders. We're going strong since. We just updated for this season, so we have some mushrooms, butterscotch cheese, and crispy pancetta, local brioche seeded bun. So here we're doing my version of a sesame tuna, some crispy wontons on the side. You'll get citrus in there, give you some sweetness, and togarashi on the wontons to give you a little bit of heat, which is really
Oh, what
great.
a beautiful presentation.
Yeah, we like to keep it sexy here. Yeah, we're very urban, very local. We source as local as possible within about 250 miles of the hotel. We're super excited about that. Beers and cocktails, local as well. So I think we have like 40 some local beers in-house. We do the wines on tap, which is really great as well.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Great.
we have the wines on tap too, yeah. The other cool thing is you can rent out the whole space. Depending on how many people you're gonna bring, we have a space for all of them.
Chef Timothy, thank you so much. This food looks fantastic. I can't wait to dig into it. If you're looking for an eclectic urban vibe to elevate your Chicago experience, then you have to check out the vibrant cocktails and this savory, delicious food here at Raised. If you want to find out more about our Around Chicago series and see more videos of exciting Chicago locations, visit us at imts.com/IMTS TV.
Let's raise a glass to IMTS.
Cheers. Thanks for watching. To see more of the Around Chicago series, head on over to imts.com/IMTS TV for our full collection of fun Chicago attractions, hotels, and restaurants. Man, take a look at this view.